everybody. Today I will be doing a challenge, which I'm not going to like this at all. Hot sauce challenge. That's scary. I'm going to put a lot on this. So,
you won't do it.
Yes, I will. Stop! This is how much I'll be doing.
It's a whole spoon. You ain't gonna do it.
I'm not going to like this at all.
Okay, on the count of three.
The thing that would be weird, guys, because this is my lemonade. If I put off some of this in there, oh my gosh.
Okay, on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Like, an imagination seems coming out of my ears.
How hot is it? Scale 1 to 10. 10 being the hottest.
8.
8.
Try how I just in this. That was like a whole spoon.
That's pretty hot.
So